The next clip comes from TikTok account, Diego Spickers's. TikTok user Diego claims that he moved into a new apartment with his wife in Colombia. However, as soon as they moved in, some negative force has seemingly attached itself to them. The house is haunted and Diego shares videos to make his followers believe to what he says. In the next video, a woman is seen hiding behind a washing machine, staring Diego as he moves upstairs. Diego notices her and bravely moves toward her with his phone. See what happens as Diego approaches this woman. But before we get into today's video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on all notifications so you never miss an update from Creepy Horror Execution. Without further ado, let's get into this.